Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I got in the house something pretty cool. I got the Mot Rythmn here with me in zirconium, of course. Which other material would I pick other than that? And I'm gonna check out the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. And you know what? You can check out Fablades.com and see what's going on there. Maybe there's something you like and you want to get, and you can just buy it. It's pretty easy. Or, you can also check out @Fablades on Instagram and see what is going on there. Here, what is going on is just a couple extra screws, some stickers to just apply to protect and render your slider a little bit smoother or different. And look at this. Look at this. We got this fella and also like a card. And this is a nice and important note, because these screws on pretty much all the toys you see, they do have the tendency to unscrew if you keep playing, and it's normal because frictions and vibrations, they do unscrew screws, and that's perfectly normal. So if you lose the screw, it means that you didn't use the thread locker, for example. In this case, they include it right over here. So you just do a little drop on the thread of the actual screw, and that's not going to unscrew by itself. And you guess what? You're not gonna lose any screws, right? So let's grab this fella right over here. We can just like so open this fella up. There you go. And this is a very interesting one for sure, guys. Let me turn on the light. I just forgot about that. So you get already two installed stickers on this side and two on this side. So as you just noticed, I'm just gonna hold on for a second. Let's just do some measuring first. You got 50 millimeters in length and let's say 12 millimeters in thickness, and 31 for the overall width. And checking the weight, because this guy's not too bad. Even if it's zirconium, of course, is gonna be 2.96 ounces. All right. What is this guy? This is pretty much what I called a Milkia on steroids, right? That's the Milkia. It has become like a grail kind of thing. And you get this, which are kind of like, similar in function. So how this works. So, of course, this slides like that, and that you might, be remembered of this mechanism, right? But in this case, you don't only have a slider, but you have this haptic rotating, which is pretty much the same thing that the Milkia does, but the Milkia just has 1, 2, 3 positions, and you have 1, 2, 3 position, and this guy, it doesn't go all the way. So same kind of position. This fella rotates like the Milkia, but has incorporated the 3 layers of the Mackie CP2. So pretty clever indeed. So you can have just a regular slider and you would just play like that, or you can just keep it there and just do the Milkia kinda. So one side can rotate, right? Or you can have both sides rotate. So you see, it kinda does this thing. And also this thing, of course, slides up and down. So it's much more complex. There's a lot of possibility with this fella right over here. You can just manipulate this with your hands like am I doing and drive your neighbor crazy, of course. Or you can just be a little bit more subtle and just apply a little bit more pressure. And this guy, as you notice, is just going to be a lot more silent and less obnoxious to people. You can have like a little bit of click. Maybe only when it's open like that. You can have a little bit of leverage, like, but I probably wouldn't do that. I would just stick with the sliding action and the rotating action like that. You can just play endlessly with this fella right here. Really like it. Let's see just the weight compared to the Milkia, because Yeah, I feel this kind of wins in the pocket. You get 2.96, and this guy you get, yeah, 4.04. So, yeah, you get it. It's not super heavy, but it has some heft to it. And looks pretty good, nicely done. I see no issues whatsoever, especially, you know, when you have the magnets that are protected by these stickers. They're not gonna fall out. So that is very good. This guy needs... like if you want to disassemble, I'm not sure. There's gonna be some sort of screw. Probably you gotta have to remove the tape. I'm not sure, to be honest. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have more idea, because I just got it and I just shared my first impressions with you. As you saw, this is probably becoming one of my favorite sliders and haptic, let's say, because of the enormous amount of ways you can play with this guy, and the sound is very good. Oh guys, I better stop it because I love it already. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.